Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable swipe messages to reply in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After that, what you need to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand side. Then the next step is to click on Settings, click on the gear icon on the top right hand side, scroll a bit down and under General is Chats. Go ahead and tap on Chats. Then you can see the swipe messages to reply. What this does is it will help you swipe messages to left to quote them to your reply. So you can enable this and you can go to your chats. After you go to your chats, now you can see that if you swipe it left, you can automatically reply it. So this function will only be turned on if you go to the settings, go to Home, click on Settings and go to Chats. Then scroll a bit down and you can see swipe messages to reply. So I'm gonna show you once again. I have currently turned it off. Now if I try to do this, it will not work. So you should go ahead and do this and it'll be easy for your user interface and it will save a lot of your time as well. So go to Chats, which is over here, and just go ahead and enable this. I hope this video about how you can enable swipe messages to reply was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.